What if I told you that the mind-blowing video you just saw wasn't created by a professional video team, but by artificial intelligence? Stick around, because I'm about to reveal how content creators are generating stunning videos without touching a camera or hiring expensive editors. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through this AI video generator that is transforming content creation. And trust me, this isn't just another tool showcase. I'll reveal exactly how top creators are using these to generate millions of views. Before we dive into this tool, let me share something shocking. Last night, I was doing some research on YouTube and I came across these 3 channels using AI-generated videos to generate millions of views and make thousands of dollars. Now look at this channel, this one and this one. They are all posting AI-generated videos, generate millions of views and making not less than $10,000 on YouTube from a single video that took less than an hour to make. The best part? They had zero video editing experience. AI video generation market has exploded by 300% in just the last 6 months. Why? Because these tools are doing what used to take entire production teams weeks to accomplish in minutes. This is the AI tool I am talking about, Kling AI. Kling AI is an innovative platform designed to empower creators by transforming ideas into stunning visual content effortlessly. With advanced features like text-to-video, image-to-video, and text-to-image, Kling AI enables users to generate professional quality video with just a few clicks. Whether you're crafting engaging videos from scripts or turning descriptions into vibrant images, this AI tool simplifies the creative process. Its intuitive interface and powerful algorithms make it accessible for everyone, from hobbyists to professionals. Kling AI became the secret weapon of viral content creators. Here's what makes it special. Kling AI just dropped 1.6 video creation model, bringing a fresh wave of innovation to video creation. This new version takes video generation to new heights, offering smoother transitions, more realistic animations, and enhanced visual quality that'll make your content truly stand out. Also, the new Colors 1.5 version is here to transform your image generation experience. This powerful version brings enhanced color accuracy and vibrancy, more precise detail rendering, improved style consistency, better prompt interpretation. Together, these 2 versions represent a significant leap forward in Kling AI capabilities, making it even easier for creators to bring their visions to life. Whether you're crafting stunning videos or generating eye-catching images, these latest versions provide the tools you need for professional quality content creation. Now let's go into video creation on Kling AI, step by step. But before that, you have to create an account on their website. Head over to your Chrome browser or other browser you are using. Type Kling AI and click the first link that pops up. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of your browser if you have an account with the before. Provide your email and password to sign in. But if you are a new user, click on Sign Up. Provide your email address and create a password. Then follow the steps that pops up after. Kling AI gives you 366 free credit. This is the interface. AI image feature, AI video and video editor. To generate video, click on AI video feature will take you to creative space. First, click on Kling AI model above to choose the video model for our video. Choose Kling 1.6 model. Kling 1.6 model is a newly released model that greatly improved prompt adherence for more consistent and dynamic results. This model gives a better result and high-quality video. We have 2 options for video creation on Kling AI: text-to-video and image-to-video option. We are going to explore the 2 options, one after the other. Click on text-to-video option. Write or paste your prompt. You can use other AI tools such as ChatGPT, Microsoft AI, or Sora AI to create your prompt. After, scroll down to settings. You can increase or decrease the value based on your desire, but a high value may cause visual error. So I will leave the value in the middle. Go to mode. We have 2 modes, standard and professional mode. We are going to explore them one after the other and compare them later. For now, let's choose standard mode. Click on duration to set duration for your video. You can choose one of the 2 options. I choose 5 seconds. Select your preferred aspect ratio. We have 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1 option. I choose 16:9. As a free user, we can only choose 1 generating count, so leave this on default. Scroll down to camera movement. Camera movement is not available for the 1.6 model we are using. Scroll down and provide negative prompt in the section below. Negative prompts are the words or phrases we do not want in our video. So type blur, ugly, low quality. After click on generate, it will take some time to generate. This is the result. Can you see that? It looks very original. Let's try the professional mode option with the same prompt. Go to mode. You will see text to video and image to video option. We are going to explore the 2 options one after the other. Click on professional mode. Scroll down and click on generate. Let's wait a little to generate the result. This is the result. A very impressive and high-quality result. Let's compare the results of the two modes. In terms of quality results, professional mode is the best. We are going to look at image to video feature. Click on image to video section above. Click on upload to upload the image you want to turn into video from your device. Provide the prompt on how you want the video to look like in the prompt section. Describe in detail to get a better result. Motion brush is currently unavailable for this model. Scroll down to setting. Leave the value in default setting. Click on professional mode. Click on 5 seconds in the duration section. Image count to 1. Camera movement unavailable. Scroll down and provide your negative prompts in the section below. After all the settings, click on generate. Wait for a minute and our video will be generated. This is the result. Very impressive. Good quality and high resolution. The text-to-image functionality transforms written descriptions into stunning visuals, allowing creators to visualize ideas instantly. Meanwhile, the text-to-video feature brings stories to life with engaging animations and dynamic transitions. This versatility caters to various industries, from marketing to education. Kling AI's user-friendly interface ensures that both novices and professionals can create high-quality content effortlessly. Let's check Kling AI image generation feature. Click on AI images. It will take you to Creative Space. First, choose your desired image generation model above. Click on the newly released Colors 1.5 model. This model gives more refined and realistic visuals, incorporating aesthetics and imagination, delivering more natural and pleasing results in portraits. Click on Text to Image and provide your prompt in the prompt section. For professional prompt writing, you can use ChatGPT to generate your prompt. Scroll down to Settings and choose the appropriate aspect ratio for your image. Kling AI provides 8 different aspect ratio options for you to use. For the purpose of this video, I choose a 9:16 aspect ratio. After, click on Generate, and our image will be generated within some minutes. This is the result. Kling AI generates 4 different high-quality images based on our prompt. This is the result. Let's check them one by one. Look at this. This one, this and this one. So amazing. In order to download the images without watermark, you will buy the membership to enjoy the service without a watermark. Let's try the AI Virtual Try-On feature. AI Virtual is a groundbreaking feature on Kling AI that allows users to apply garments onto images seamlessly. By uploading a garment, the model intelligently analyzes the fabric's texture, color, and style, then incorporates it onto any chosen image. This innovative capability is perfect for fashion designers, marketers, or anyone looking to visualize clothing concepts without physical samples. The result is a striking, realistic portrayal of how garments will look on various body types or settings. This feature has 2 options. First, AI model and AI outfit. Click on AI model, scroll down, and provide your image prompt. Choose your desired aspect ratio like 9:16 aspect ratio. Then, click on Generate. Wait for the tool to process our result. This is the result. Let's check them out one after the other. They are all impressive. Next, click on AI outfit. Select a model from the 3 models. You can choose AI model to select one from the image you generated on Kling AI. You can select default or choose upload to upload picture directly from your computer. Choose the one that you like. I choose AI model and select one picture from the image I generated earlier. Scroll down and upload a garment image. You can select a single garment or multiple garments. Click on upload to upload directly from your device. Scroll down and select Generate. The result will be generated within a few minutes. Here is our result. Let's check them out. This is insane. Very impressive. Can you see? You can use those images as reference for another project. You can expand them by clicking on expand icon below. You can bring the image to life in one click by pressing the icon below. You can publish, download, or delete from your account. You've just witnessed the future of video creation. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification button. Drop a comment. Remember, the next viral video could be yours and it might take just minutes to create. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.